Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kapil Poreddy, and I'm here today with my co author Ajit Sahu. We are presenting our paper titled Retail Transformation in Healthcare. It's a comprehensive framework for intelligent eye care services integration. Our research demonstrates how artificial intelligence can transform routine retail experiences into proactive healthcare opportunities with special focus on eye care services. The objective of our work is straightforward yet ambitious. It's to design and evaluate a AI-driven framework that can integrate comprehensive eye care services directly into retail experiences. By doing so, we aim to improve accessibility, reduce costs, and enhance the overall customer experience while maintaining the clinical accuracy comparable to the traditional healthcare delivery. Over to the next slide. Retail healthcare has been evolving since the early 2000s. It started with a basic healthcare screening and over the counter solutions. And today we see telemedicine and even specialized diagnostics in retail environments. What drives the shift uh, and a motivation for our research is the customer demand for convenience, accessibility, and personalization. Advances in artificial intelligence, particularly computer vision, NLP, and predictive analytics, actually allow us to push this integration further, embedding meaningful healthcare directly into shopping journeys. Our system architecture is built on a layered AI technology stack, which is where the computer vision enables real-time analysis of facial geometry and retinal images. Natural language processing and LLMs interpret the prescriptions and guide convenience conversations with the patients. And thirdly, the optical character recognition ensures prescriptions are validated, whether written by hand or digital. And finally, use predictive analytics to forecast risk and recommend preventive care. All of this is supported by a robust microservices architecture, which is HIPAA compliant and has encrypted data flows. The framework provides three major categories of services. The first one being the intelligent prescription validation. Here, AI verifies the authenticity of the documents, checks for fraud, cross reference against the medical databases, and validates a physician's credentials. The second is the personalized eye care recommendation or the eyewear recommendation. Again, this is by analyzing the facial geometry of the customer, prescription parameters, the lifestyle needs. The system makes sure it recommends the most suitable lenses and the frames with augmented reality and try-ons for accuracy. The third is the digital health screening. Now, the advantage is the customers can now use their smartphones and use retinal imaging and actually test to detect conditions like diabetic retinopathy or glaucoma. And again, this is funneled into an automated referral to the specialist when necessary. These services bring clinical precision into everyday retail experience. With at this point, I hand it over to my co-author Ajit, who will walk you through our implementation, results, and the future directions. Over to you, Ajit.
Thank you, Kapil. Our implementation follow a phase approach. So phase one focus on technology development, algorithm training using diverse clinical datasets. Phase two involve clinical validation against traditional healthcare methods to ensure accuracy and safety. And the phase three deployed pilots in selected retail locations where customers' feedbacks loop guided refinements. And the final phase four is outlined nationwide rollout with staff training, integration into different system, insurance system, and other healthcare system. And finally, we need to monitoring, right? So that is our main goal. And our Evaluation shows significant improvements. So 92% accuracy in the prescription validation, 94% sensitivity in detecting eye diseases, severe services time reduced from 45 minutes to 12 minutes, and that's a huge one. And 34% reduction in the service cost. So customer will be benefit out of it. Customer satisfactions average like around 4.7 out of 5 and follows up with compliance improvement by 22%. The result clearly demonstrate the AI enhanced retail healthcare cannot only match it, but often outperform traditional care models in efficiency and accessibility. However, the implementing such a framework is not an easy task without any challenges. So technically, we must address the data quality, model generation across population. In integration with existing healthcare workflow for a regulatory perspective, FDA approval, HIPAA compliance, licensing requirement are critical. And again, it is for different region, the different uh, approval committees are the regulatory committees are there who can approve your model and all that we are building it for. And from market adoption angle, building trust with consumer and healthcare providers is essential for a long-term success, and it is very critical for the success of this product. So looking ahead, our research opens a multiple avenue, averaging federated learning for privacy preserving AI training, optimize Edge AI to bring real-time diagnosis to mobile devices, and we are trying to bring different mobile devices, like irrespective of like their OS and all. And also we are planning to do it in different platform, not just the mobile. It might be desktop, it might be iPad or anything like that. So enhancing experience with augmented reality. So that's the now that's a huge thing that I'm thinking of, like because the world is going toward the augmented reality and expanding to the other health domains such as cardiovascular and neurological screening. These directions ensure scalability, inclusivity, and adaptability across healthcare system worldwide. Equally important are ethical consideration, right? Our framework emphasizes algorithmic fairness, informed consents, and patient data ownership. We also consider the digital divide, ensuring accessibility for undeserved population. Ultimately, our goal is not just technological innovation, but delivering equitable healthcare outcome for all. To conclude, our research demonstrated that AI-powered retail healthcare system can deliver clinical outcome on par with traditional method while offering improvement in the efficiency, accessibility, and cost reduction. Successful adoption requires phased deployment, robust validation, and strong partnership across healthcare industry and retail industry. Thank you for your attention. We now welcome for your questions. If anybody have any question, you can ask, or you can reach out to. We can reach out to Kapil Reddy and Ajit Sahu. We have our QR code. You can reach out to us by Ajit Sahu at outlook.com, poor Reddy Kapil at ieee.org. And also you can connect with us in LinkedIn. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, everyone, for giving us an opportunity to present today. We would love to see how this research is further expanded. Thank you and have a very good day.
Thank you.